this video we are attending to a water damage insurance claim. A pipe burst causing water to flow throughout the home. We have shifted furniture and removed the non-salvageable carpet. Here you can see us removing the moldy smooth edge. Smooth edge is the wooden spiked strips which hold the carpet in place. It's usually nailed to the concrete slab. We remove it from site, treat the concrete slab for mold and begin the structural drying. Veracity Services. Working alongside insurance, strata and building companies to make sure West Australian homes are safe.